Okay. I'm doing an oil change. 55779. There's the mileage on this baby. That new cap on there looks pretty good. Anyway, it takes a lot of stuff to change the oil in a power stroke. It takes 16 quarts of oil. I've got the Amsoil diesel oil. I got a couple more quarts over there. I'm gonna put the Z-Max in it. I always use Motorcraft filter, and this is my bypass filter. It's Amsoil. With this oil and filter set up, you can run it 15,000, and you can have it tested after 15,000. If it still meets the test, it can run further. But we're fixing to change the oil in it. Bypass system.